Hey friends, if you wish to fix server certificate has been revoked error, ERR CERT revoked error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now see, in most probability, this is an issue with the certificates, means that this is actually an issue with the server of the website. Now let us say for example that the server of this website is Roblox. So you're trying to access the Roblox website. So just search for Roblox server status. This is an example, it could be for anything, okay? And then go and check the Roblox server status. There's a high chance that the server would be down, okay? But if it's up, then check the date and time on your system. Is it correct? If not, then right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select date and time. Make sure that all these three switches are on, and then click on sync now and wait till you get a tick mark here. Okay. So this is how you can rectify this part. And if that doesn't help either, then check if it is helping on a different browser, though that is not the root cause. In this case, you will have to contact the website owner if it is an issue across multiple browsers and multiple computers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.